Hello students, now we're going to start the English lesson. The topic for today is quantifiers, determiners. So the quantifiers are as shown in the table. We have, according to the category, countable nouns and uncountable nouns, and according to the sentences, affirmative, interrogative, or negative. And now let's see their uses. A lot of or lots of are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. They are normally used in affirmative sentences. The of is omitted when a lot or lots are followed by a noun. For example, is there lots of sugar in this cake? Yes, there is lots. Many is used with countable nouns. For example, Mr. Smith doesn't know many things about the Mediterranean diet. Much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, there isn't much milk in the fridge, buy some more in the supermarket. Much and many are usually used in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, do you spend many hours at the gym? I don't put much sugar in my tea. How much and how many are used in interrogative sentences. For example, how much vitamin C is there in oranges? How many potatoes should I roast? A few means not many, but enough. It is used with plural countable nouns. For example, have a few almonds if you want a quick snack. A little means not much, but enough. It is used with uncountable nouns. For example, we had a little ice cream for dessert. Note: few and little means hardly any or not enough, and can be used with very for emphasis. Example: I think very few people like that dish, so I won't make it again. Bill pays very little attention to his weight. And now let's start with the second part of the lesson. Determiners. Every, each. They are both used with singular countable nouns. We normally use each when we talk about two people or things. We use every when we talk about three or more people or things. For example, Anne fell and got bruises on each leg. It was a good book. I enjoyed every page. We use every when we are thinking of people or things together in a group to mean all, everybody, everything. Example: every team member has to have a physical exam. It means all team members. We use each when we are thinking of people or things separately, one at a time. Example: each student will be given a different project to work on. We use every to show how often something happens. Example: Pam visits her dietitian every 10 days. And we use every, but not each, with words and expressions such as almost, nearly, practically, and without exception. Example: I run into Jane almost every time I go to the gym. And now we have plenty. Plenty means enough or more than enough. It is used with uncountable or plural nouns. Example: you can do plenty of things to avoid catching a cold. Make sure you drink plenty of water daily. Both refers to two people, things, or groups. It has a positive meaning and is followed by a plural verb. Both restaurants seem like good choices. Neither refer to two people, things, or groups and has a negative meaning. Neither of plus plural noun phrase can be followed by either a singular or a plural verb in the affirmative. Neither of the two dishes seems appetizing. All refers to more than two people, things, or groups. It has a positive meaning and is followed by a plural verb. Example: all the trainers at the gym are great. Whole is used with singular countable nouns. We use a, the, this, my, etc. plus whole plus noun. Example: I can't believe he ate a whole chicken. None of refers to more than two people, things, or groups, and has a negative meaning. It is used with nouns or object pronoun and is followed by either a singular or plural verb. Example: none of these dishes contains or contain meat. But how many eggs are there left? None. Either refers to two people, things, or groups, and is followed by a singular countable noun. Example: we can order the fish or the seafood dish. Either choice is okay. Either can also be used at the end of a negative sentences. Example: she has two bikes, but she doesn't use either of them. Neither nor or either or take either a singular or a plural verb depending on the subject which follows nor or. Example: either kayaking or scuba diving is offered at the summer camp. Neither Paul nor his parents like water sports. And that was the lesson for today. Thank you for your attention, and remember, stay home, stay safe,